Are you having troubles with your classic Ford truck or Bronco where maybe it's turning over, but it just will not start? Or there's no clicking starting at all? Your problem could be the neutral safety switch. And this is down on the transmission linkage. And what it does is for the automatics, it makes sure that your truck or Bronco is either in park or neutral so that when you start the vehicle, it won't just take off. Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for replacing a neutral safety switch on a C6 transmission on my 79 Bronco. Don't forget to smash on that subscribe button. I'm posting weekly videos for you guys. I've included the link for this product and the tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it. The start wire goes through the neutral safety switch and then comes back out and then goes to the solenoid to activate the solenoid. And if you're unsure if your neutral safety switch is the problem, one quick way to test that is by bypassing it with some alligator clips, and that'll let you know if it is in fact the neutral safety switch. For me personally, I've been dealing with this issue for a while and bypassed it today. It immediately fired up the first time, which is something that hasn't been doing for quite some time. And it is down on the transmission by the linkage on the driver's side of the transmission. And now that we have that lever disengaged, apply some penetrating oil to this bolt. It's probably overkill. I'll let that sit for a bit. Also, if there's any other zip ties holding the wiring on for the electrical on the neutral safety switch, go ahead and clip those while you let this penetrate. So before I move anything, I want to take note of the position of it. All right, and just like that, it pulls free. I did end up changing out the plugs on mine because I rewired my entire Bronco and went to some weather pack plugs. Before I cut this off and replace it, I just want to make sure I have the correct part. Okay, so something I did before I'm going to install this is I held this over the old one and made sure that this slot was lined up so that I'm installing it in the same fashion.
When reinstalling the outer downshift lever, make sure it is in the same position as it was when it was removed.
Thank you for watching my how-to video on replacing a neutral safety switch on a C6 transmission, my 79 Bronco. If you liked it, smash down that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And don't forget, I've included the link for this product and the tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.